Hi, I'm Paul, and today we're going to harvest red cabbage. Today we're at Alamany Farm in San Francisco, California, in our red cabbage patch. We have a big, huge row here of red cabbage that's absolutely gorgeous looking. Red cabbage, the difference between growing or harvesting red cabbage or any other type of cabbage is very similar, but with red cabbage, other than beside cutting it whenever you want. You can cut them when they're very small. The heads are very small or very large. They're always very delicious. But the technique is the same as any other type of cabbage. The way you do it is you basically use a big knife like this, grab the head and slice the knife as close as possible to the last under leaves of the cabbage itself. Pull it out and then try to leave as much of the cabbage plant as possible. Once you leave as much of the cabbage plant as possible, it will have a good chance, depending on the species of the cabbage you're growing, it'll actually grow new heads. So you can get several new heads even after you harvest your first head. I'm Paul Holofko.